Good morning, everybody from the Philippines. It's another fine day. So, having a cup of coffee, and I'm gonna stroll around the property here, show everybody a few things that I have done, currently working on. There's always something to work on. So I'm just doing a little bit today, watching birds flying back and forth on the terrace. Some do a little bit today. I'm working on a garden currently. Going to go buy some seeds, see what I can find. Ain't really sure what all I'm going to try to plant because I don't have the green thumb. They're both brown. My wife has that. She's not here. So I'm trying to impress her when she comes back. Show her I can grow something. But she's the expert and the farmer's daughter. So without further ado, let's go take a look and see what I did and didn't do. So we start out with our guard cat, Snow. She'll follow me everywhere. So it's kind of, let me get the camera around here. Lost a few banana trees, and all of them had bananas on them, so had 2 fell down in one day. So last week we started out with 5 trees that had bananas. Got one, only have 2 left right now. So I split these up so they can dry out. They're not such a mess to deal with. So as we maneuver around the sand pile, and one tree, the bananas just died. I don't know if you can see them up there. They're like black. But we could zoom in a little bit. So those didn't make it. But we do have another tree. It's kind of hidden. So let me see if I could zoom in and find it. Those bananas look pretty good right there. So hopefully the tree don't fall down. So just zoom out of that. So other things I've been working on. We got a space between this little kubo and the fence. I tore down that tin wall. There's the remnants of it. And been trying to fill in here because it was a deep hole. I got rid of the pile of floor tiles. Thought I would find a few snakes in there, didn't. Just lizards, roaches. So, and I cut the grass. So, got rid of a big headache. So, because that used to be a mess. So I'm currently sifting through all the ash because I'm trying to remove the nails, and I'm just spreading the ashes there, and then I'll put some more gravel on them. So this is all the nails and metals I pulled out of there so far. So somebody is supposed to come get this pile of tin and wood to sell it. We shall see. So it's coming along okay. I just got a few more things to clean up. It's not raining a lot, so mowed the grass, so the yard looks pretty good. We only got one more thing to deal with. That's this monster in front of us. So all I'm really doing now, working on the little garden, not much. But there's the pepper plants here, or chili as the Filipinos call them. Grow very well here in the Philippines. Those were planted last year sometime, in the middle of last year. A few of them died, but the others hanging in there. So this is my current project. I was cleaning out all the weeds because we did have a garden here, and I didn't do anything with it because I didn't have the time. So I'm currently working on 3 rows here. This is the 3rd one. I wetted the ground because it's like you'll be like digging through concrete with the ground so dry. So I just wet it a little bit, let it sit for a couple hours, do it again, then I use a metal rake. It's a lot less stressful, just use a little water. So the yard don't look too bad, just rocky. My dream is if I can get all this cleaned up, get rid of those logs over there, it'd be a nice place to have a barbecue. Just need a covered area somewhere. So we'll see. So it looks better. Been getting better for a year. That's how long we've been working on this here, to get rid of a just tremendous amount of debris. So it has worked, and looking good. Another thing I did, this tree and that tree was really big, spanning across the neighbor's yard. So I have this pole saw, I cut them down to nothing, but growing back very fast. So there's a couple little trees along the fence line I need to take care of, but I'll get that. So not bad. Just got to clean up a little bit more stuff. I kind of jump around, do a little here, do a little there, do a little there, you know. Have to pace myself. I ain't no spring chicken, I'm a sprung chicken. So this mess here is all my tools I use. Just keep them handy here because we're working. And that's really, I made this gravel pile a little smaller by filling up that hole over there. Still got to do a little more, but I'll wait. So it's not bad, not too bad at all. I like how I can look down this way. It's not all the thorny bushes and stuff that used to be along the fence. We just got to figure out what to do with these big dead potted tree stumps. So always something to do. Always. Trying to keep things manageable. That's a challenge. So that was a quick look and a once around. Well, I always have to do something. You know, I always have to check out this side, the other side of the house, because little games kids play. There could be a whole lot of trash thrown across the fence. Just something you got to deal with. But looks pretty good in this corner. It's good. Not no trash along, nothing on the ground. So, all right. looking good. Of course, I'll have to go outside the fence, but looked like somebody picked up a lot of trash because there was a bunch out there. So, once around the house, looks pretty decent. You know, my main effort trying to clean up a lot of this stuff over here was because of snakes. You're in the Philippines, you got to deal with pythons, although there ain't none big enough around here to hurt anybody. Just scare the shit out of you. But the most dangerous is the cobras, because I killed the little one. Don't know where it came from. Up on the terrace. So there's my neighbor. I need to contact him, see if he wanted some of this leftover wire we have that came from the old fence, which is another thing. If he doesn't take it, you can sell a lot of metals here. But I just give it to somebody to go and do all that mess. I'm not so worried about that. I've been collecting a bag of metal out of this ash pile that used to be really big. I'm just trying to get rid of the burn pile and take a rake all this other debris up, clean up that shit, and then hopefully we'll be good. So that's the latest and greatest from Nervisia in the Philippines. So we shall see what all we get to here. Like I say, it's always something to do. Always. So it's still early in the morning. Maybe I'll take off about, I don't know, maybe in an hour or so. Well, most of the big shopping centers won't open till between 9 and 10. So I got plenty of time. Go pick up some seeds, a few other little things, and come back. There's one thing I wanted to do, but I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to do it. Let me get the sun out of the way. Make a video somewhere, but that ain't gonna, don't know if I'm gonna do that, if I will do it today. But it would be a nice day for working because it's cloudy, so the sun ain't beaming down on you today. Well, let me look at one thing outside this gate here, because it could be a mess. So it's just something you have to check. So looking down at the ground, not bad. Not bad, not bad at all. So it's okay. Plants ain't really beat up, destroyed. So it's not too bad today. I think the dogs have been in there literally tearing up everything. So that's not too bad today, thank God. All right, I think kind of wrap this up. I didn't show everything there was to show, so thank you for joining me. As always, we will say goodbye from the Philippines. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye now.